Hi. The object of this video is to focus on the mysterious subject of the existence of the third eye. We provide facts and stories on this topic to our subscribers so that they can easily accept or reject them. Before we get into the details, let's first explain what a third eye is. We can find in the literature two definitions. For some, the third eye has a physical presence but cannot be seen with the eye, as a person can feel its presence between his eyes. For others, it is a spiritual force, alertness that allows for various benefits. The third eye is often described as an inner eye or a mental eye belonging to the soul and located in the middle of the forehead. This magic eye is very powerful than our natural eyes. With its help, a person can see things that their physical eyes cannot. The third eye relates to spirituality and the creative power of the universe. The third eye can be viewed as a sleeper cell. If one can perfectly use it, then a person will have unlimited supernatural features. At the end of this video, it's up to you to decide if this story can be real or if it's just a fantasy. Please post your opinion in the comments. The third eye also has some other names such as the Eye of Horus in the Egyptian civilization or the Eye of Lord Shiva in Indian culture. This proves that the third eye was discovered there now thousands of years ago. Scientifically, the third eye is the pineal gland. It is called this because it resembles a conifer. In fact, this has been proven using advanced microscopes. This relationship existed over several civilizations, such as the Sumerian, Roman, and Greek civilizations. Even the sticks used by the Pope contain a pine nut. If all this indicates anything, then it indicates the importance of the subject of the third eye to previous civilizations. The size of the third eye is very small and roughly equal to the size of a pea. Strangely, however, you cannot discover that its shape resembles a conifer unless you observe it under a microscope. The strange thing in this story is that ancient civilizations were called the pineal gland of the third eye. How could they imagine that the third eye looked like a conifer? This allows us to conclude that ancient civilizations were very advanced in science and may have had a similar or more complex tool than our microscope. If we divide the brain and the pineal gland in half, we will notice that we are in front of the Eye of Horus. On the other hand, if you zoom in, you will be surprised that you are in front of a real eye. Considering the drawings of the Eye of Horus found in Egypt which designates the third eye, we can clearly see that the ancient civilizations arrived at a very developed science such as, for example, the construction of pyramids in Egypt. A question must be asked. How did this ancient science disappear? Recent studies revealed that the third eye has the same properties as normal eyes and has the same normal retina. We are in front of a real eye. This thing reinforces the name of the third eye. In India, the third eye is considered to be the sixth chakras or the sixth sense. We recall that the name chakras means power centers in the human body. The ancient Arab peoples called physiognomy the sixth sense. During this period, people take physiognomy classes. This allows them to distinguish between good and bad people and can even predict your future. If your third eye is open, you can see things that normal people cannot. You should know that the third eye is responsible for our dreams. It is with this eye that we see events in our dreams, as in reality. The third eye is also present on the US dollar to promote the strength of the dollar and the power to monitor all financial dealings. Are you convinced of this mysterious story? Please post your opinion in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to help us produce more interesting content on other topics. Bye.